The new N1e features V2L tech and delivers over 150 miles or 245 kilometers of range. Honda has revealed its smallest electric car, the N1e. The tiny EV can be used to power a home or other devices. Its single electric motor is expected to make 63 horsepower, 47 kilowatts. It may be small in size, but Honda's cute N1e prototype made a big splash at this month's Goodwood Festival of Speed, even if it didn't make a lot of noise in the process. Now, the production version of this pint-sized electric car has made its official debut in Japan. An electric K microcar, the N1e, is a slab-sided, high-roof, boxy city car with a friendly robot-like face and tiny wheels that make it look cute and gawky at the same time. Unlike the Goodwood car, which featured fender flares, the Japanese version goes without to ensure it complies with the K rules that govern everything from external dimensions to power outputs. So although Honda hasn't revealed much in the way of technical spec, we can be sure it measures less than 3,400 millimeters, 133.9 inches, long and produces no more than 63 horsepower, 64 PS/47 kilowatts, from its single electric motor. Its electric hardware is almost certainly shared with the taller N-Van E revealed last year, which Honda claimed could travel 152 miles, 245 kilometers, on a charge. The N1 will eke out a few more miles than that. The N-Van accepts 50 kilowatts DC charging, which is slow, but the small battery can be charged in around 30 minutes. The N1's interior looks simple, but not totally basic, and we like the fact that there are plenty of physical buttons and a rotary volume dial on the media screen. The transmission selector on the console looks much like the one on Honda's familiar to us in Europe and the US, and a simple button to the right allows the driver to easily engage a one-pedal mode. A shelf below the touchscreen provides an obvious place to leave your smartphone within easy reach of the charging port. No wireless charging here. And the rear seats fold flat with a 50:50 split to maximize practicality. But the real headline feature is the V2L function that allows owners to use the N1 to power their homes during outages or other devices like electric bikes or laptops. To use V2L, owners will need to purchase an adapter from Honda's accessory catalog, which also includes a dash-top LED indicator to let you know how full the battery is and a sporty cosmetic kit with twin Shelby-style stripes running front to back. Japanese sales of the N1 begin this September. The same month Honda is expected to give the pint-sized EV its European debut at the IAA in Munich. Sadly, there are no plans to bring the car to the US.